What do you think?
Do you see your shoes?
So close.
All it needs is to be lowered.
No, all you need is your boots on.
Well, the kickstand's up too, so it's pushing you up. So what do you think?
Get up there with him. With your boots on, you should be able to touch.
Where's the key go? I made it so long. Nothing but.
I put it in second gear for him because that first gear is a little too much.
There's so much snow on this thing. Dang it! I found something.
Oh. First gear now.